Okay, some more items that I got. Y'all purchased this cardstock paper. I purchased this from Dollar Tree. And right here you see all of the colors that they have. I have all of the colors that they have. And I am definitely going to try this out. Definitely, I'm going to actually take this out of the pack so you can see. But in the meantime, go ahead, don't forget, make sure that you click that like button, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share my video, comment. Here go how this cardstock looks. Oh, it feels like cardstock paper. It don't feel like it in the... When you pick this paper up in the store, it do not feel like cardstock. But, dude, this is what this pack comes with. Actually, when you take it out of there, out of the package, it actually feels like cardstock. So, these are the colors come with this, and it's just all blues. And then we have, hey, come on to the stuff. And I'm gonna show you the other packs of cardstock. This pack come with this color. Man, it actually feel like cardstock. I'm really surprised to come pull these out the pack, and actually they really feel like cardstock paper. So, and this one come with pink, blue or purple, green, hello, all white. And it comes with all white. And you may actually think these, I think all of them about the same. They the same sheet. White, yeah. Good deal you get. It's okay deal. You get three of them for $1, so it's okay. It's an okay deal. And here's another item that I got too. And this is one of those bags. It's a vacuum bag to keep like your clothes and stuff in. And I actually have some clothes that I have to put up in here. Oh, okay. Not bad material. Here's how big it is. Not bad material at all. And then here's the vacuum suction thing right here. Not bad at all. Actually, I got some clothes that I am going to be putting there because I feel like I be on the run a lot. So, here is the last bag. I also bought, y'all, this is a random item I call, but I got this at Sunflower, in the Sunflower section. I had been looking for these, and Dollar Tree actually usually sell them, but they were out of them. And this is the toilet brush with the holder right here. Yeah, Dollar Tree actually usually have these for $1, but they have ran out. So I'm like, I gotta find me one. Cause if you keep using your same one, oh, that thing gonna start smelling like pee. For real. I can't deal with that. So I have to change at least once a month, or either when I start smelling the bad scent, it's time to go get another one. We got to throw that over now. Of course, I went back to the store. I got 3 of these USB wall things. I got 2 blacks and a white. Here go the other one. So, yep, I had to get 3 of those. You know, I actually like shopping at Dollar Tree. They have some really nice stuff there when they have nice stuff. But I hate it takes this area where we stay, some of their items, I be like, where is it? It takes forever, it seems like, for us to get all of the stuff that the other places have. But it's gonna get better for us. It definitely will get better. I'm in Mississippi. I'm in Mississippi, Mississippi, the silk. Lady Speed Stick, I got this. And this is more the personal and hygiene stuff. And then I got this oral care kit for that tongue brusher thing in here. Then I got 2 of these mouthwash. I actually got 3 of them, but one of them in the bathroom. So I got 3 of these. This is my favorite kind that I like to use from there. These right here. I actually have to, sometimes I have to play around because they be changing up on me sometimes, but like, oh, all mouthwash ain't good to me. But you are supposed to have the one that have the antiseptic. They recommend that you get this. The doctors and stuff recommend you get the antiseptic, but I also got a toothbrush and toothpaste to go. I got that to go because, like I said, I feel like I be on the run all the time. I feel like I be on the run. I be gone. And then, of course, I got the Speed Stick Irish Spring. And I have the Fresh and White Peppermint Toothpaste. Guys, y'all please make sure y'all watch my video. Let's get them subscribers up. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Until next time, NQ Vlogs, leave with you peace, grace, and goodwill. Bye.